My name is Ari. I'm a ride guide here at TPC, and I am excited to talk to you about my 2023 WeAre1 Arrival. So frame up build directly from TPC. I picked it because it looks like a mixture of a fighter jet and the Batmobile. Looks insane and rides even better. I am running the WeAre1 convergence wheel set. These are the 30mm triads. They are laced to Industry 9 1-to-1 hubs, 90 points of engagement, super sweet, very reliable. For the fork, I'm running the Öhlins RXF 38. Extremely impressed with it. Definitely the best fork I've ever ridden. On the back, I have the RockShox Super Deluxe Ultimate. The brakes I'm running are the TRP DHR Evos. Great modulation, really powerful stuff.